Today we're going to talk about continuity. I'm your instructor, Mr. Deutsch. Continuity is when you create a consistent story from more than one angle. Here's an example of really bad continuity. See if you can pick up where I messed up. Here's a medium shot of me walking down the hall. The next shot is going to be me opening the door. Then I'm going to walk into the room. Let's take a look at that one more time to see how bad this actually is. So the shot of me walking down the hallway is fine, but now take a look at the clothing change from shot to shot. Then I open the door, then I open the door again, walk into the room with drinking a water and having headphones on. So make sure that the action only happens once. So for instance, when I open the door, I should only open the door once, and there should never ever be any costume changes. Here's the same sequence of shots done correctly. One door open, no costume changes. Here's another example of poor continuity. Right here, I catch the ball, and then I catch the ball. This makes absolutely no sense. Here's how you do it correctly. She throws the ball, and before I catch it, the camera angle switches, and then I catch it. Once again, throw the ball, switch to catch. Now I'm going to take those point of view clips that we worked on yesterday and try to edit them so that they have good continuity. So let's get down to the editing part. So I have this scene where I open a box, and then the next piece is going to be from the box's perspective. So there I just open and close the box. That's the shot number one. Then I open the box from the perspective or the point of view of the box. The next shot, the box is open, and then it kind of goes into a crayon being there as the prize. So let's edit this and have good continuity. Have one continuous shot using all these different clips. The first thing I'm going to do is go and click angle under view so you can see the two different angles. So that way on the top you can see that when I make one clip longer or shorter, you can see where the one clip ends and the other begins. Next, I'm kind of scrolling over my clip and just seeing which parts I want to use. So the first clip has all the box opening. The second one is just for when there's a little crack of it opening. So the key is now to make the first clip short enough so that I cut it off right when I get a little tiny crack of that box open. And luckily I have the angle viewer, so as I'm lengthening it on the left, I can kind of see where the right is at too. So this is a lot of back and forth, a lot of replaying to make sure it's perfect. So right now I feel like the box is open a little bit too much. Let's take a look. I'm going to lengthen it from the beginning a little bit too. So that's close, but you see there's a double motion. The box is open a little bit too much. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over there to the right, make everything a little bit bigger. I'm going to try it again so that right when I open the box, it switches to the camera. So it'll be one continuous motion. And you'll know it when you get it because it'll feel just right. Perfect. So I'm going to keep mine like that. I want to shorten it because we don't want any kind of extra footage. Every piece of footage that we use should have a purpose. We should make sure we cut out all the dead time. And then the next clip is going to be once the box is open because I already opened it in the second clip. I'm going to use my blade tool, cut out any of the stuff that I don't need. And then I have my crayon. You can add music and sound effects like that. Right now I'm just focused on the visual part. All right, so let me play this all together. And that's the idea of continuity. For your assignment, what you're going to do is take those two clips that you recorded yesterday and make one continuous clip so that the actions aren't cut apart. If your clips are no good from yesterday, they don't work, what you're going to do is you're going to do it again and make a scene. You can copy one of mine or use your own, but have one continuous piece so the motions, you're not doing anything twice. It's not confusing what's going on. It's going to basically feel like you're telling a story using multiple cameras, and it's completely continuous. Good luck with everything.